To apply for Pay by Invoice on Amazon, start by logging into your Amazon account and navigating to the Amazon Seller Central page. If you do not have an Amazon Seller Central account, you will need to create one. Once you are logged in, click on the Settings icon and select Account Information. Scroll down to the Payment Options section and click on the Edit button next to Payment Method. Select Pay by Invoice as your preferred payment method and fill out the required information, including your business name, address, and tax identification number. You will also need to provide Amazon with your banking information, including your account number and routing number, so they can deposit payments into your account. After submitting your application, Amazon will review your information and may request additional documentation, such as a copy of your business license or tax returns. If your application is approved, you will receive an email from Amazon with instructions on how to set up your Pay by Invoice account. It is essential to note that Pay by Invoice is only available to sellers who meet specific requirements, such as having a professional seller account and meeting a minimum sales threshold. Additionally, Pay by Invoice requires sellers to pay a fee on each sale, which is typically a percentage of the sale amount. To avoid any issues with your Pay by Invoice application, make sure to carefully review Amazon's terms and conditions and ensure that you meet all the requirements before applying. By following these steps and meeting the necessary requirements, you can successfully apply for Pay by Invoice on Amazon and start receiving payments for your sales.